Hey there. What if your money could grow by itself, like it's cloning in a vault? Well, that's basically what compound interest does. But what even is compound interest? How is it different from regular interest? Let's break it down. Section 1. What is compound interest? Compound interest is when you earn interest on your original money and on the interest you already earned. Let's understand this with an example. Meet Bob. Bob invests $1,000 at 10% interest per year. After 1 year, he earns $100. That's normal interest. But in year 2, he earns 10% on $1,100. Let's see, that's $110. Then 121, 133, and it just keeps snowballing. His interest earns more interest. That's the secret. Section 2. Why time beats everything? Meet Jack. Jack waits 10 years before investing the same $1,000. Both stop investing at age 60. Guess who ends up richer? Bob. Even though they invested the same amount, Bob started earlier. And with compound interest, time matters more than money. Section 3. The 72 Rule. Here's a trick. Want to know how long it takes to double your money? Just divide 72 by your interest rate. At 6%, 72 divided by 6 equals 12 years to double. At 12%, only 6 years. The higher the rate, or the earlier you start, the faster it grows. So, in conclusion, even small amounts can grow huge if you give them time. Want a full video on how to find the best compound interest accounts? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.